Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will be creating a full coverage Indian glam look using all drugstore products. I am also going to share some tips on how you can avoid flashback as this look is also going to be compatible with flash photography. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with eyebrows. For flash photography, you have to keep your eyebrows dark and defined. Otherwise, the light will wash them out. I am using the NYX micro brow pencil in brunette. I'm simply filling in my eyebrows. They're also a little bit out of shape, so please ignore that. I'm growing them out for a video. Then I'm using the MUA Academy Pro Base Moisturizing Primer. This is a lightweight primer which is moisturizing. It's got a light consistency and it gets absorbed into the skin really nicely, especially if you have dry skin. It's very much like a normal moisturizer. For foundation, I'm using the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation in Tan. My skin is getting really dry because of the weather, especially my lips are getting all dry and flaky. So this is a really good foundation if you have dry skin. Make sure you cover your hyperpigmentation properly if you have it. The center of your face will be highlighted when the light hits it. So if you have hyperpigmentation, make sure you cover it completely. Use a full coverage foundation or just build up your medium coverage foundation. Try to avoid sheer coverage foundation because you need some coverage as the light enhances all the pores and texture of your skin. Also, acne marks, hyperpigmentation, basically all the imperfections on your skin. For concealer, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in Classic Beige. I'm doing more of an inverted triangle today because I want the coverage and I want the highlighted effect under my eyes. Make sure you do not go with a very light concealer. You will get a very bad flashback if you do so. So choose a concealer that's just one shade lighter than your skin tone, or even a concealer that's exactly your skin tone, because you can do the highlighting part with the powder. For contour, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick in Universal. This is a very creamy and blendable contour stick. If you're deeper than NC40, it will not show up on your skin, so you can go for deeper shades. For blending my concealer, I'm using the PAC 219 concealer brush. I left my concealer to sit on my skin for a couple of minutes to get more coverage out of it, and as you can see, I'm blending it in an inverted triangle shape, again to get a highlighting effect under my eyes. Then I'm blending the contour with the PAC 245 brush. For setting my face, I'm using the Sugar Set the Tone Tinted Powder in 30. This is my exact skin tone, so I'm using this to set my smile lines and under eyes. Now for highlighting my under eyes, I am using the Fit Me powder in light medium and applying it on my under eyes. If you want, you can also apply it on your forehead, chin. The eyeshadow palette that I will be using today is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. Now, this has got 3 to 4 variants and this is a new launch. I was very impressed by the color scheme, so I purchased it. I applied a concealer as my eyeshadow base already. So first I'm going to pick up this deep pink shade and I'm pressing it into my crease. The brush I'm using here is the Cuffs and Lashes E008 brush. This shade does tint your eyelid. It's a very pigmented and blendable shade that has least kickback and no fallout. Then I'm blending out the edges with a peachy pink shade and I'm doing that with a fluffy blending brush. Now I was not able to use a lot of shades from this palette for this look, so I'm definitely going to use this palette in my future videos and I will be creating more looks with this palette. Maybe I'll do a 60 seconds Instagram video or a reel because I was really impressed by all the shades. They were very pigmented. For my eyelid, I am using the gold metallic shade and just pressing it with my fingers. Then I'm applying the same matte shades on my lower lash line. First I'm gonna apply the peachy pink shade, and then I'm going to deepen it up with the deep pink shade. Now for my lashes, I am going to unbox this package I received from Miss Claire, and we're gonna use everything that's inside. They sent me a lot of different eyelash styling products, but the main product is their new eyelash glue liner. This is a liner that acts as a lash glue too. This is very interesting because this is a 2-in-1 product and we are gonna try it. So first I'm just going to apply it like I normally apply my eyeliner, very close to my lash line, and then you don't have to wait for it to set or dry. Just go in with the lashes right after you apply the eyeliner, otherwise the lashes will not stick. Also apply some eyeliner on the false lash itself. They have 2 shades, black and white. So the black one dries into black as you can see, and the white one dries to colorless. So we are going to try the colorless one in some other video. Make sure that your eyeliner is extra black for the flash photography, and I really liked this eyeliner because it was very black. The eyelashes did stick to the eyeliner, but you have to be very quick, otherwise the lashes are not gonna stick, and you have to make sure that you place the eyeliner very close to your lash line. For contouring, I'm using the Sculpted, Contoured and Chiseled palette from Cuffs and Lashes. I am using 2 shades and contouring my cheekbones, forehead and jaw with them. Then let's move on to blush, and for that I'm using the Cuffs and Lashes Just Say Cheese blush palette. I'm using 2 bright pink shades for my blush to match the eye makeup. That way it blends into the eye makeup and everything looks very put together. For highlighter, I'm using the Cuffs and Lashes Northern Lights palette. I liked these palettes a lot when I tried them, especially the blush palette is my favorite. I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, nose, cupid's bow, chin and inner corner. After this, I'm using the K-Beauty Matte Action Lip Liner in Fame, and I'm gonna line my lips with this. This is sort of a monochromatic look, so I'm going in with a pink lipstick today, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Matte Lip Ink in I Choose. This is how the makeup looks in flash. This photo is directly from my camera, and as you can see, all the areas that should be highlighted are light, but there is no flashback and it's not crazy white. That's it for the video. Hope you like it, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.